Hello and welcome to another episode of In Conversation. Today we have with us Ms. Neha Agarwal, who is the head of startups and venture business at HDFC Bank. In fact, today's episode is different because we are using this episode to launch a property that Neha and her team have created not just for the various businesses internally with the bank, but it could have potential usage for anybody who wants to utilize this platform. So this platform is essentially called Khoj. Now, Khoj means the search, and the search in the technological parlance is all about how to leverage and harness technology for the benefit of businesses within HDFC Bank. So under Khoj, we will be utilizing this platform to do hackathons, to do various technology related activities, which will be of benefit to various businesses within the bank. And at some point of time, its potential use could be for anybody who's interested to use this as a platform to harness technology or digital platforms from the startup ecosystem or the fintech ecosystem. My first question to you, Neha, is tell us about Coach. How did the idea come about?
So thanks, Rajiv. We are delighted to launch Khoj. Khoj is a platform for startups to access problem statements or areas of innovation. Now, these areas of innovation or problem statements could be hosted by HDFC Bank. It could be one of our corporate customers. It could be an SME. It could be a mid corporate. It could be even a large corporate. Or alternatively, a startup may also be presenting a solution to us for our large, diverse consumer base at the bank. To put it differently, it is a series of hackathons or open innovation challenges or any such other format that we come up with where all startups, meaning those who do not even bank with us, can apply to these hackathons or innovation challenges. And subsequently, there will be a screening to understand if their solution has been selected and deployed.
Coach as a platform, and as you said that this is also going to be all about hackathon and open innovation challenges. So how are you planning to leverage this? Since today we are launching it, can you tell us something about who are its first potential users who could be using Coach as a platform?
Code as a platform is open for all. It is accessible to all startups. They do not have to be customers of the bank. In terms of how we intend to specifically leverage it, I think to begin with, we will start with areas of focus by the bank. So currently, we are the first hackathon that we are coming up with is with the GIB team of the bank. The GIB team works closely with the government's common service centers. And one of their problem statements, if you will, is that they work with a large, diverse base of village level entrepreneurs. So the idea is how is it that we can look to monitor and communicate with these VLEs? And that's the first problem statement that we're coming up with.
Tell us how does this property or the creation of this particular property to do open innovation challenges, hackathons, etc. But help in the larger strategic interest of this particular business responsibility that you have.
So, in terms of the overall strategy, I think our focus right from the very beginning under the Smartup program for startups has been value added solutions for startups, right? And therefore, right from bespoke customized banking to all our other value added initiatives, whether it is H9 Meets, whether it is CSR support for social impact startups, or is it even the venture investments for our startup partners. I think the focus has been that how is it that we can do more as an organization, right? And that's why Khoj meshes in very well with that overall strategy in terms of being a platform which will unleash business opportunities and synergies for everyone's mutual benefit.
Any learnings that we have had from the lockdown when it has come to say the startup business or anything that you observed in the startup ecosystem that will last beyond the lockdown?
So, when the pandemic started, there was this skepticism and fear whether the startup party is actually over, right? But what we've observed is that startups with sound business models have continued to receive funding. So, that's the first thing. Second, I think there is a growing realization in terms of the fact that this is not the first and the last business stroke economic cycle that we're living through. Hence, I think increasingly people are fine tuning their business models to ensure that they are structurally sound. So that's really our biggest takeaway, really. And that's why we are also applying ourselves to assess our solutioning for startups with that same lens.
How would you kind of assess the journey or the trajectory of creating the startup and the venture business within the bank? If you can take us through, what it took to kind of start and then where you are at this juncture in the journey.
I think the SmartUp journey, right from the very beginning, has been a very collaborative one. We partnered with NASSCOM and Zone Startups about 4 years back. We continue to build our solution for startups on the back of very strong partnerships. In fact, for Khoj, for our very first hackathon, we partnered with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is METI. Even going forward, that is our intent, that it's going to be an open collaborative solution. I think one of the things that stands out is the fact that we kept an ear on the ground, right? And that happened because we were actively participating with the startup ecosystems, and our branch network and our customers were giving us important feedback, right? So all of that went into creating the SmartUp solution and all the other value-added initiatives that I spoke of. In terms of where we are at, I think it's a very dynamic space that we work in. So I think we're still in our nascent stage, so to say.
Neha, in your mind, how do you envisage this platform to be in the time to come? Are there any specific milestones or steps that you see as you kind of go on to grow this platform called Khoj and then make it into a platform for open innovation challenges? What are your thoughts for this property in the time to come?
In terms of, today, so while it'll be a series of hackathons and open innovation challenges to begin with, I think it will evolve into being an open collaborative platform where all stakeholders, right from the incubator partners, the state government partners, other enablers in the startup ecosystem will all come together to create business opportunities and synergies. At least that's the vision that we have at this point in time.
Thank you so much, Neha. And with that, we come to the end of the episode of In Conversation. Indeed, it's all about co-creation and collaboration. That's the name of the game as far as the property or the platform called Khoj is concerned. With that, we come to an end of this episode. Till the next episode, stay safe.